A very fine good morning everyone. On the behalf of Chandigarh Group of College Jhanjedi, I Manpreet Kaur would like to welcome our new freshmen, parents and each one of you who have joined us in the inauguration ceremony of the Freshman Orientation Session 2021. We are standing in the lawn in front of the main building and waiting for our President Sir, Sardar Rashpal Singh Ji Dhaliwal and Managing Director Mr. Arsh Dhaliwal, who will inaugurate the Orientation Session 2021.
मैं प्रेजिडेंट चंडीगढ़ ग्रुप ऑफ कॉलेज जी अज वर्चुअल ओरीएंटेशन स्टार्ट होने जा रही है समुचे साढ़े CGC के स्टूडेंट पेरेंट्स समुचा साढ़ा CGC का स्टाफ इन्हों बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद दिंदा हाँ।
Dear CGCJ freshmen and families, I Arsh Dhaliwal, Managing Director, extend heartiest welcome to you all as you embark on the professional academic journey. I am very excited and thrilled to welcome you on the campus very soon. Thank you so much.
मैं तो मेरे CGC परिवार वालों जो अज ओरीएंटेशन वर्चुअल है ओपन करन जा रहे हैं तो सारे नूं वेलकम करते हैं। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, sir, for your blessings. Now I hand over the hem to Ms. Krishna for further proceedings.
Thank you, Manpreet. Education is simply the soul of a society as it passes from one generation to another. And today, we are here to interact with such new generation, the young minds with lot of excitement, hopes, dreams, and no doubt, a lot of queries as well. Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the town hall meeting of Chandigarh Group of Colleges, Jhanjedi, as an imperative part of virtual orientation program for the academic year 2021. I feel honored to extend a warm welcome to the man whose passion and devotion for achieving his goals has brought amazing constructive changes in the society with the aid of professional education. Honorable President, Chandigarh Group of Colleges, Mr. Rashpal Singh Dhaliwal ji, and a very young person with an innovative ideology and energetic spirit, respected Managing Director, CGC, Mr. Arsh Dhaliwal ji. I also extend a sincere welcome to the well-regarded academicians having profound knowledge and expertise in their respective domains. Honorable Directors, CGC Jhanjedi, worthy parents, teachers, and dear students. This meeting is designed with an objective to enlighten you all about the significance and excellence of CGC Jhanjedi, consisting of teaching pedagogy, available career scopes, training and placement activities, library, academic tie-ups, academic rules and regulations, NCC, international affiliations, and social welfare activities, involvement of students in research, innovations and projects, industrial exposure, seminars and expert lectures as well. And to shed some light on these agendas and impart valuable information to the new family members of CGC, we have amongst us the dignitaries having versatile academic and research experience. Honorable Director, Chandigarh Engineering College, Professor Dr. Rajneesh Talwar. Director, Chandigarh School of Business, Professor Dr. Manish Srivastava. Director, Chandigarh Law College, Professor Dr. Manpreet Garewal, and Director Placement, CGC, Mr. Navneet Singh. Dear students, if you have any query or question during the session, kindly put it in the comment section so that all your queries could be addressed at the end of the meeting. Let me have this opportunity to introduce and invite Honorable Director, Chandigarh School of Business, Professor Dr. Manish Srivastava. Dr. Srivastava has a rich experience of 21 years of academic and administration in premier management colleges and universities of India and abroad. He has been involved in providing consultancy services to government and private organizations in India. Apart from this, he has a number of articles, publications to his credit, along with authoring a book, National and State Tourism Marketing. He's also on the editorial board of various international journals. I invite Professor Dr. Manish Srivastava onto the dais for opening speech and introducing Chandigarh Group of Colleges, Jhanjhedi. Sir, please.
Thank you, Krishna. Productivity is never an accident. It is always the result of commitment to excellence, intelligent planning, and focused effort. A very good morning, everyone. I, Dr. Manish Srivastava, Director, Chandigarh School of Business, welcome you, all the freshmen of Chandigarh Group of College, Jhanjhedi, in Virtual Freshman Orientation 2021. CGC's rise to prominence has been the result of many factors: the support of management, the contribution of dedicated staff, the enthusiasm of our students, and the passion of alumni. Ensured that CGC remained the fountain of knowledge as it is today. CGC Jhanjhedi started its legacy back in the year 2012 with the goal of providing international quality education at affordable fee in the state of Punjab under two visionary leaders, Mr. Satnam Singh Sandhu, Chairman CGC and Chancellor CU, and Mr. Rashpal Singh Dhaliwal, President CGC Jhanjhedi, who has converted an institution started 9 years back with an engineering and management program only to 40 plus advanced practice-based and industry for undergraduate and postgraduate program in the fields of management, engineering, commerce, law, computer application, journalism, fashion technology, agriculture, cybersecurity, forensic science, and many more. Later, CGC Jhanjhedi has got a young and dynamic leader with a focused approach to develop education standards through innovation and technology in the name of Mr. Arsh Dhaliwal. CGC Jhanjhedi is today one of North India's leading higher education service provider that offer world-class education and endless placement opportunities to students of all corners of the country. The courses are UGC, Bar Council of India, and AICTE approved and affiliated with IK Gujarat Technical University, Jalandhar, and Punjabi University, Patiala. Right from the day one, CGCJ vision was to emerge as the most preferred educational group with global recognition, developing competent and socially sensitive leaders committed to excellence. For this, we not only have focused on world-class infrastructure and equipment, but the best faculty who were the alumni of NIIT, IITs, and IIMs, a student-centric and research-intensive environment, and most importantly, an education model that blends the theory and hands-on exposure effectively. Every year, industry and academia experts and international experts, faculty from top corporate and world-renowned university visit our campus to give students a first-hand experience of the global education landscape. Innovative courses require innovative approaches. to bridge the gap between corporate and academia, we have recently signed various MOUs for some professional areas like Red FM for journalism, Capsons for fashion technology, HealthVisor for nutrition and dietetics courses. As we move forward in the coming years, we are determined to advance into the highest tier of country's best college. CGC has been honored with various awards and recognitions. To name a few are: CGC has been ranked 6th in India for patent filing for academic institutions and universities by Annual Report of Controller General of Patents. Punjab Gaurav Award for Excellence in Campus Placement by Honorable CM, Punjab Government, Amrinder Singh. National Employability Award 2022 for being among top 10% engineering campuses in India by SHL India. Award for Academic Excellence by Honorable Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh. Award for Quality Placement by ABP News. Best BE School in North India Award by My Brand Better. National Employability Award 2020 by Aspiring Mind. There are a lot of awards, we can name them. But for overall development of the students in particular and society in general, the CGCJ is working on following mission: to create world-class facilities and ambience for advanced level of teaching and practical training, to make students socially inclusive individual with conscious commitment and education, to continuously grow and become fountainhead among institutions of technical higher education in India, to strengthen industry-institute interface and promote entrepreneurial development activities, to continuously strive for research, development, and innovation in all relevant fields, thereby providing the faculty and students the requisite platform to showcase their talent and win laurels, to collaborate with leading universities of the world with a view to provide students with opportunities of higher education and seek placement avenues abroad, to be the apex of placement chart across India. In last, I would like to mention our students are the emerging leaders who will help shape tomorrow's world. I once again congratulate and welcome all the CGC freshmen 2021 on joining the family of Chandigarh Group of Colleges. We will make sure that this is going to be the best decision of your life. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your opening remarks and introducing Chandigarh Group of Colleges to the new students of the campus. Thank you very much. Now I'd like to introduce another academician who himself is the legacy of excellence in academic and research field. Honorable Director, Chandigarh Engineering College, Professor Dr. Rajneesh Talwar. Dr. Talwar has more than 20 years of teaching, research, and administrative experience. He did his MTech and PhD from Thapar University, Patiala. He has more than 60 international journal publications along with numerous patents to his credit. Also, he guided number of MTech and PhD students. Apart from active involvement in organizing a number of technical events, Dr. Talwar has guided and supported various projects which won prizes at national level. I would like to invite Honorable Director Engineering, Professor Dr. Talwar, onto the dais to address our budding professionals. Sir, please.
A very good morning to all of you. I, Dr. Rajneesh Talwar, Director, Chandigarh Engineering College, welcome you to the virtual Town Hall Meeting 2021 of Chandigarh Group of Colleges, Jhanjhedi. What I can tell you that you are going to enter a new phase of your life at the campus. You are going to make new friends. You are going to create memories. And above all, you are going to meet your faculty or gurus who are going to act as mentors. Your mentors are from renowned institutes like NITs, IITs, Punjabi University, and many other renowned institutes of management and law. Most of the faculty is PhD or postgraduate. We ensure that you will have a comfortable stay at the campus. For that, your faculty will be acting as your mentors so that they can look after your routine requirements and any issues if arise. If I talk of teaching pedagogy, we believe more into the practical approach of teaching learning through projects and practicals. We encourage inquiry-based learning. Some of you will be made CRs of your classes. There will be open house and CR meetings at regular intervals. Even in pandemic, we have ensured smooth classes through Microsoft, Teams, Zoom, and Gmeet. I would like to bring into your notice that 75% attendance is a must. So all of you be regular in your classes so that you can appear in your MSTs and other exams. We have highest number of merit positions in Punjab in academics from our campus. So I can tell you that you are going to be in the best hands of your gurus or mentors. There will be regular quizzes and assignments for you. Even you can join various clubs such as Entrepreneurship Club, Institute Innovation Council Club, Sarvasva Club, and there are many more clubs where you can join and enhance your culture and activities you are interested in. There will be regular feedback mechanism. We'll be taking regular feedbacks from you to improve the thing further if required. Even student grievance redressal system is there in the campus, which is taken care by DSW. Those who want to go for armed forces, we have NCC available in the campus, and all the three wings, Army, Navy, and Air Force are there for you. We encourage our students' participation in sports and cultural activities. Even our students have brought laurels to the campus in various national sports events like badminton, volleyball, basketball, and other such activities. You will be working on various tasks and projects assigned within the campus, and like e-bike project, go-karts, which have won at national level, hackathons. Every year our students are participating in those and bringing prizes. Even we support students for their patents. You just have to come up with your idea and the complete task will be done by the campus and all the payments will be done by the campus itself. So there are lot many facilities for you. We are waiting for you to join the campus. If I talk of library, we have Delnet membership so that you can avail all the facilities, whether it's published books or e-books, any sort of requirement related to the books, the things are available in the campus. We are member of NDLI Club, which is an initiative of IIT Kharagpur. So all the facilities of IIT Kharagpur are available for you in the campus itself. Each department of our college have its own departmental libraries. So you can avail that facility within the department also. More than 30,000 printed books are available in each library. More than 145 printed journals and more than 1,000 e-journals are there to go through. Our library can be operated from your comfortable places, maybe at home, maybe at anywhere in the campus. We are using Koha software for that. If I talk of Center of Excellence, we are having Bosch, Amazon, Cisco, Red Hat, Blue Prism Center of Excellence in the campus. You can be a part of these companies' work, culture, and can get the training here in the campus itself. Even we have tie-up with IIT Bombay, and you can choose your course and get certified by IIT Bombay through our FOSS center at the campus. You can become members of professional societies like IETE, CSI, ASHRAE, ISHRAE. Even we conduct regular webinars, seminars, workshops, and industrial visits so that you have more practical exposure. This is just the beginning. I would like to end with a quote. Dreams are not the one you take while sleeping. Dreams are not the one you take while you are sleeping. Dreams are those which don't let you sleep. So welcome aboard CGC Group and let's fulfill your dreams. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for enlightening our students about the academic aspect of Chandigarh Group of Colleges, Jhanjhedi. Now, I'd like to introduce another dynamic personality of CGC Jhanjhedi, who is known for her contribution and achievements in research and academic front. Honorable Director, Chandigarh Law College, Professor Dr. Manpreet Grewal. Dr. Grewal has more than 16 years of academic, research, and administrative experience. She has done her LLB, LLM, and PhD from Punjab University, Chandigarh. She is honored with APJ Abdul Kalam Award for Academic Excellence in Rural Areas in the capacity of Law Principal in February 2020. Dr. Grewal has numerous national and international publications and paper presentations. Apart from this, she has chaired and presided over various national level technical sessions and moot court competitions. She has guided number of research scholars and also performed a role of keynote speaker and resource person in various faculty development programs. I'd like to invite Professor Dr. Manpreet Grewal onto the dais to talk about international affiliations, NSS, NCC, and social welfare activities carried out in CGC Jhanjhedi. Ma'am, please.
Thank you, Krishna. A very pleasant good morning. I, Professor Dr. Manpreet Grewal, Director, Chandigarh Law College, has been given this proud opportunity through Town Hall meeting for the session 2021 to apprise the young entrants regarding the international collaborations and social activities which are carried into effect at Chandigarh Group of Colleges, Jhanjhedi. We at Chandigarh Group of Colleges, Jhanjhedi strongly believe that in today's technocratic world, it is so vital to undergo international exposure, which provides a ground for building professional relationships, interpersonal skills and experience, and gaining new perspectives. It is indeed a key to achieve success in one's career. Keeping these objectives in mind, Chandigarh Group of Colleges, Jhanjhedi has harbored a separate department of international affairs wherein a platform is provided to the prospective candidates to undergo international exposure by taking advantage of lucrative tie-up with global universities and colleges. At Chandigarh Group of Colleges, Jhanjhedi, we have students from more than 10 African countries and even various SAARC countries. This brings diversity of culture, rituals, food, languages in the campus. It also brings forth international exposure to domestic students to experience global culture while studying in India in the campus. Department of International Affairs, Jhanjhedi provides international exposure through 3 various programs, namely summer programs, semester exchange programs, and internship programs. Let me elaborate on summer programs. Now, this is a program under which students of Chandigarh Group of Colleges, Jhanjeri, irrespective of their stream, are eligible to go for international certification and exposure for nearly 30 days without giving any written exams and IELTS. What we offer, the question here is, what we offer at Chandigarh Group of Colleges, Jhanjeri. We offer 30 days summer school in France, 21 days summer school in UK, and 30 days summer school in the US. Now, second such program which we facilitate is semester exchange program. Students of the campus, they can derive all the benefits of learning abroad while paying only nominal standard fees, and they will only be paying their living expenses. Rest all will be borne through the collaboration with global universities. Third program which we cater to are summer schools. These are programs in which students of any stream, I would like to repeat, any stream, after 1 year in Chandigarh Group of Colleges, Jhanjeri, can go during the summer vacations for the month of June and July for 21 days or even maximum period of 30 days to global universities in US, UK, Canada, Australia without fulfilling any of the formalities such as IELTS. Recently, a very important and lucrative international program we have added to our credit, that is, credit transfer or 2+2 programs. In these programs, student who's studying on the campus of CGC Jhanjeri can complete half of their degree here and the rest of the degree with partners universities in US, Australia, UK, and Canada. And the most important thing is, when they're completing their degree with the partner universities abroad, they will also be given work permit. How aptly stated, study and earn too. Well, certain universities who are in such collaboration with us, to name a few, is University of Fraser Valley, Canada, A State University, US, UNESA, Australia. I would say we at Jhanjeri are very proud to announce that we have 40 plus global collaborations with the universities. How aptly stated by Rabindranath Tagore, the highest education is that which not merely gives us information, but makes a life in harmony with all existence. In line with thought process of the renowned social reformer and Nobel Prize winner, Chandigarh Group of Colleges, Jhanjeri, aims at including the spirit of social welfare in all our students and also sensitizing them towards upliftment of backward communities and to also provide selfless social service. Keeping these aims in view, Chandigarh Group of Colleges also harbor two important wings, that is, National Cadet Corps, NCC wing, which is functional under the leadership of Lieutenant Rohan Dhadwal. We have 3 wings of NCC, that is, Army Wing affiliated to 23 Punjab Battalion NCC Ropar, Air Wing affiliated to 3 Punjab Air NCC Patiala, Navy Wing affiliated to 1st Punjab Naval NCC Nangal. The mission and vision of this wing of ours, which is functional since ages, is to develop qualities of character, courage, discipline, leadership, secular outlook, spirit of adventure, but most importantly, a culture of service among youth of our country. Nevertheless, this wing also focuses on providing the youth a new occupational opportunity to take up the career with armed forces. Another important wing, which is functional at our campus and which is approved by Punjab Technical University, Jalandhar, is National Social Service Wing. Now, the volunteers of this unit take keen interest in arranging various activities such as adult education, tree plantation, drug de-addiction programs, anti-dowry and women empowerment programs, seminars related to social causes, blood donation camps, propagating preventive measures as to AIDS, swine flu, malaria, polio, and some more. Our NSS unit at Chandigarh Group of Colleges, Jhanjeri, has also undertaken numerous social welfare activities. To name few, that is, they have also carried out anti-pollution rallies, participated in anti-corruption rallies, tree plantation movement, participated in Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, and recently, as we all are affected by the pandemic, COVID-19. But we people in Chandigarh Group of Colleges always were the front runners. We also provided medical facilities for all the people who were suffering for the said disease at the campus. We also provided free food, medical facility to in-house people and all the residents near Chandigarh Group of Colleges, Jhanjeri. I, Dr. Garewal, on behalf of Chandigarh Group of Colleges, Jhanjeri, I promise all the young entrants who have reposed their faith in us that I promise you a very fruitful, meaningful professional journey. Welcome aboard Chandigarh Group of Colleges, Jhanjeri. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for this informative address. Hope all the students have got their queries resolved regarding NCC and international affiliations and associations of CGC. Now I'd like to introduce the man who doesn't need any introduction. An increasing graph of excellence in placements shows his devotion, passion, commitment, and dedication towards his duty. The man, along with his team, works consistently and diligently to provide career guidance, placement assistance, and continuously facilitates the students throughout the year to convert their career dreams into reality. I invite onto the dais the man who has numerous success stories of CGC students to his credit. Director Placement, Mr. Navneet Singh, to talk about the corporate relations and various training and placement programs available in the campus. Sir, please.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Honorable management, dignitaries on the dais, and all the freshmen embarking on this wonderful academic journey at CGC. A very good morning to all of you. As I welcome all of you, I'll share what career options awaits for you here and would emphasize that you should start preparing for your future right from today. Ever since its inception in the year 2012, Chandigarh Group of Colleges, Jhanjeri, has placed itself in a pioneering position by providing quality placement opportunities to its students. With over 60,000 placement offers and 3,000 plus placement drives, CGC has emerged as a leader in placements not just in the northern region, but the entire country. As a matter of protocol, prestigious companies recruit from only those institutes that are duly accredited and validated by them. Validations by companies like Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Wipro, Cognizant, TCS, Infosys, Deloitte, Capgemini, IBM, Mahindra, Cummins India speaks volumes of the high standards maintained at CGC. The group is also empaneled with all the three defense services, the Indian Army, Indian Navy, and the Indian Air Force for recruitment under University Entry Scheme. The Corporate Resource Center, the CRC at CGC, aims at inviting companies from various industries offering attractive pay packages. With this plethora of placement opportunities available for students, CGCians often boast of multiple job offers much before they pass out. I'm proud to announce the excellent placement record for the Pass Out Batch 2021. 757 companies, 7,412 placement offers, and the highest package of 36 lakhs per annum by Arcasium India. Going ahead with this rich legacy, CGC Janjeri is all set for another enthralling academic session 2021-22, which I'm sure will yield even better results than the previous years. Success happens only when opportunity meets preparation. We at CGC believe that every student is an asset in itself and ensure that he is well educated, groomed, and best prepared to get through the toughest of placement processes. You have just listened to my worthy colleagues who have highlighted the best educational practices teamed up with a plethora of co-curricular activities which ensures the overall development of the students. But if you look at the recruitment processes of the companies, we'll see that there are a lot of aspects which are missing in university curriculums. At CGC, we ensure that the employability skills of the students is also properly enhanced. Along with their regular academic studies, the students undergoes the TPP program, the Training and Placement Program, where complete training on aptitude and quantitative analysis, soft skills and personality development, interview questions, group discussions, and high-end technologies is provided. The progress of the students' training is regularly evaluated by industry-based assessment tests like AMCAT, CoCubes, and METAL. The TPP program is a 360-degree employability training and assessment program designed by CGC after detailed discussions with the industry experts and CGC academicians and student feedback, which ensures that our students are fully prepared to be placed in the topmost organizations. To bridge the industry-academia gap, CGC has maintained a strong industry-academia interface with top organizations like NASSCOM, IBM, ICT Academy, Oracle, EC Council, Cisco, Palo Alto, AWS, and Bosch to ensure that our students get adequate exposure to the right industry practices and the latest technologies. This happens through expert interactions, live projects, industry certifications, learnathons, FDPs, and internships. In lines with the above, the Earn While You Learn program at CGC offers a wide range of part-time job opportunities to the students, which expose them to the real working environment while pursuing their routine academics. The students not only get some pocket money, but also gain hands-on experience, which would certainly stand by them in their future career as well. This further helps the students to gain know-how of the corporate world. Not only placements, Career Resource Center provides career counseling, guidance, informational resources, and mentoring to the students to develop, understand, and connect their educational and life experiences with their other future goals. Besides providing employment opportunities for the students, we also focus on promoting the culture of creating jobs and generating employment. the Entrepreneurship Development Center is an initiative of CGC to provide a platform of guidance, mentoring, and financial support to the young business ideas of our students. It aims at nurturing entrepreneurship skills to create self-employment also in the lines of the social objectives of Government of India. It is an innovative setup which empowers the students of CGC to start their own ventures. CRC provides guidance and counseling to the students of CGC opting for higher studies after the completion of their relevant programs. It provides information on the various options available within the CGC group as well as from other reputed colleges and universities of the country. It also provides guidance on the various international options available for higher studies. CGC also invites all those who have a passion to fly and intend to pursue their careers in public services. We provide counseling, guidance, and mentoring for getting into defense services, civil services, other PSUs, and also for various competitive examinations like GATE, GRE, CAT, GPAT, etc. We regularly conduct seminars and workshops by experts from the defense and the civil services, and also alumni talks to motivate the students by sharing their experiences. Our 30,000 strong alumni is always willing and enthusiastic to guide and mentor their fellow CGCians to take up the bigger challenges of life. Friends, it's a long journey of life. A good start is half the job done. We are certainly doing our bit to be done in the lines of our motto, CGC, building careers, transforming lives. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for making our students familiar with the various career opportunities waiting for them here at Chandigarh Group of Colleges, Jhanjedi. Dear students, I hope you all have understood each and every details shared by Honorable Directors of CGC Jhanjedi. As per the objective of this town hall meeting, the discussion has covered all the important aspects which prove CGC excellence in various fronts. Getting enrolled in higher education with such an environment provided by CGC ensures the inculcation of knowledge, wisdom, research, professional skills, and successful career. And I think this is an objective which every educational organization must have, so that it can prepare its students to deal with personal, social, economic, and professional challenges. Dear students, I think through town hall meeting, you all have been informed in detail regarding everything which a new student wants to know before commencing his or her next level journey of academic. But still, I have received a few questions in the chat box. I'll bring them all one by one to the honorable dignitaries and request them to address your queries. Proceeding further, I'd like to start with the question answer session. So let me have some questions which I can see in the chat box. Okay, so the very first question which I received is from a student named Varun, and his question is, when can it be expected to have classes through offline mode?
I was expecting this question, but the first question shows the eagerness and enthusiasm of the students who want to come to join us. Students, let me assure that we are more eager than you to welcome you here. I believe that you must have received mails from the directors which is mentioning about reopening of college. So from the next week, our various programs, 7th semester, 5th semester and 3rd semester are going to start. And obviously very soon you are also going to be in the campus. We are very eager to welcome you. But again, there are certain measures which is mandatory. I believe you must have gone through the mail and you must have noticed that there is a mandatory vaccination. So I request everyone, go for vaccination. Everyone should be vaccinated so that we can welcome you here. And one more thing, we are very much concerned about your security. All the security measures are there in the campus, so you need not to be worried about the security aspect. We will welcome you very soon. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. And here there is another question, and this is from Saurabh, and he wants to know what kind of practical exposure does CGC Jhanjedi provide to enhance students' understanding?
Okay, welcome once again. And I assure you that you will have a lot of practical exposure at the campus. Like our students have been working on various projects in various hackathons. Our students have made e-rickshaw, which is now working and is being used in the campus. E-bicycle have been made by our students. Solar car has been made by the students. They are participating at national level in hackathons and have won various national level awards. So there will be no dearth for the practical exposure for you. You just have to join the various clubs to participate in various projects. I hope that clarifies your doubt about the practical exposure. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
On top of it, the practical professional activities conducted by CRC, the various internship programs, the Earn While You Learn program. These are all programs which gives you a very practical exposure on the various aspects of academics as well as employability. We encourage our students to participate in live projects, participate in various research projects and internships, part-time jobs, and even online internship programs, which has become very popular in the last 1.5 years.
Even I would like to add further that even in our curriculum also there is an internship provision. So the student have to go for internship. They will work in a company and then obviously they have to learn a lot. Besides that, Madam has also talked about international opportunities for internship. So I believe you must have listened, and I would like to assure you that you may go for international exposure also if you wish to. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. So next question is from Swati, and she's asking what types of facilities are available for the hostelers as well as for the day scholars.
Well, welcome again. Thanks, Swati. I can understand the mindset of a parent. Right now, we are always setting aside the queries put forward by the students and new entrants. But I can understand through Swati, I also want to put rest even the thoughts of the parents as well as the new entrants. I would like to tell you the number of students who are going to join us in academic session 2021. They are coming first time to the hostels, moving out of the warm vicinity of their homes. And to make the transition nice, we are providing them the state-of-art infrastructure and magnificent hostels. And it is very essential. Hostels are under a great supervision of experienced wardens, Swati. Wardens who've got more experience than 14 years. Along with this, some more amenities are very important because when you're in the hostels, you look for the warm comfort of your homes. So we at Chandigarh Group of Colleges Jhanjedi provide them certain amenities such as airy rooms, Wi-Fi connectivities, entertainment programs, in-house gyms, and not only this, even evening sports activities. I would like to also mention, as one of my counterparts stated, Mr. Talwar, we are providing library facilities. To bring one more important thing to forth is, library for the hostelers are available all the time. So these are few amenities. Even I would like to say this is very small, but laundry facilities are also provided. Now, these facilities and amenities are for my students who are putting up in hostels. But nevertheless, there are some more students on a campus who only come in the morning and we say they're day scholars. For their facilities and amenities, I hand over the mic to my counterpart, Dr. Talwar, to apprise you regarding our facilities there.
Okay, dear freshmen, I would like to add that we have transport facility in all the vicinity of the college, whether it's Tri-City, that is Panchkula, Mohali, Chandigarh. We have facility of transport from Ludhiana, Patiala, Ambala. So you need not worry. Either you can opt for hostels or you can stay at the campus or you can avail the transport facility. Other than that, we have bank facility in the campus itself. You need not go outside. Bank is available in the campus. So all your transactions can be done within the campus. Enjoy your stay. Stay healthy. Best luck. Thank you.
Even I would like to add something. We are sitting here in this beautiful auditorium,
Right.
which can house a lot of activities related with academia or beyond. Even I have listened that we used to play movies also for the students. So I think you are going to enjoy here.
And I think we missed, there are a lot of food outlets also there in the campus. The canteens provide absolutely homely food for the boarders as well as the staff members and the day scholars who are interested. And along with that, there are a lot of food joints, food outlets, wherein you can enjoy good snacks and food throughout the day.
So it's
Even
another-
even there is a daily need items for there is a store for daily need items also.
Right. So you are at campus, which is a home away from home.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Honorable Directors. So next we have a question from Neeraj, and he wants to know about, he said, do you think that TPP is sufficient to prepare students fully to secure placement, or do they need to opt for something else to improve their employability skills and ensure placement?
What's the name of the student? Pankaj.
Neeraj.
Neeraj.
This is Neeraj.
Okay. Neeraj, that's a wonderful question, and I appreciate your concern towards how you can build up a great and a secure future. See, placement at CGC is not just a department or a activity, it's a complete ecosystem. Whatever you do in the campus, whatever your faculties make you to do in the classes and practicals, it all helps on to you building up, to you becoming a complete professional. TPP is a very organized and a 360-degree employability assessment and training program under which all these aspects of all the aspects which are covered in the recruitment processes are taught to you, whether it is aptitude test, whether it is technical test, higher end technologies, your verbal skills, your communication skills, interview skills, all those things are covered. But apart from that, we would urge you to participate in a lot of cultural activities. You gain a lot of leadership skills, initiatives by participating in initiatives like the various festivals or the cultural programs or the departmental programs which are there. To organize these programs, you learn a lot. So, every activity that you participate in the campus and beyond would help you on becoming a complete professional.
Thank you so much, sir. And I think you all have got your queries resolved as directors and honorable dignitaries. They have answered all the queries and cover important aspects like placements, facilities, and offline classes as well. So here it is end of question and answer session. So I extend a vote of thanks to you all for joining us in this virtual town hall meeting, and a special thanks to all the dignitaries for sparing their valuable time and participating in such knowledgeable discussion. Thank you everyone. Hope to see you all again tomorrow as per the scheduled program. Have a nice time.